Let's go, Bobby. Oliver's quick. Oliver and Bobby tied.
Oh, are they swimming right now?
Yeah, Bobby's in lane 5 because Oliver beat him the last time.
Ooh.
And they're neck and neck, but I'd say Oliver's slightly ahead, wouldn't you? They're turned at the same time. Okay, Bobby popped up with a longer length, but not much.
Is
See
this the last lap?
No. But see how many strokes Oliver gets in, and he isn't splashing like he used to. He's much more efficient.
Bobby still beats Oliver off the wall, though. Yeah, Bobby always doesn't have enough strokes or something. Casual. Yeah, the length.
You want those? You want this? What do you want?
I'm filming.
Oh, okay. He's ahead.
How many more they gotta go?
I think this might be last.
Okay.
I think. It's a 200. No, wait. 550. Yeah, this might be last.
I don't have time to do it over.
He turned a little sooner. Yep, they kicked it in. Last one. Go, Oliver!
If we need to, we'll follow the chair.
Bobby's going to get him.
Yep.
Oh, revenge!